Hello and welcome to Thái Nguyên News. My name is Nguyen and now today's headlines. Groundbreaking ceremony of Samsung High-Tech Complex in Binh Industrial Zone, Thái Nguyên Province. Trading cooperation between Vietnam and Finland. Thái Nguyên radio and television station making great efforts to improve PCI. On the morning of March the 25th, Samsung Group Korea held a groundbreaking ceremony of Samsung High-Tech Complex in Binh Industrial Zone, Phổ Yên District, Thái Nguyên Province. Prime Minister Nguyễn Tấn Dũng attended the ceremony.
This project covers an area of 1,000 hectares and has a total capital of about $2 billion USD. Samsung Complex is capable of manufacturing from 10 to 15 million units of products per month, which are mainly mobile phones and high-tech electronics spare parts. It is expected to recruit 20,000 to 30,000 laborers and add more than 20 billion USD to the annual national export turnover, contributing to develop the electronic industry in the north of Vietnam. At the ceremony, Prime Minister Nguyễn Tấn Dũng highly appreciated the active participation of Thái Nguyên Province as an investor of a project as big as this. This project is believed to promote the socio-economic development of Thái Nguyên in particular and the north of Vietnam in general. Moreover, it tightens even more the business relationship between Vietnam and Korea. Once the Samsung plant in Thái Nguyên becomes operational, Vietnam will become Samsung's world's biggest hand device production base for exports.
On March the 27th, the Conference on Investment Opportunities and Trading Supporting Instruments between Vietnam and Finland was organized in Thái Nguyên Province. Mr. Kimmo Ladavita, Finnish ambassador to Vietnam, and Mr. Nhữ Văn Tâm, Vice Chairman of Thái Nguyên People's Committee, attended the conference. Addressing the conference, Mr. Nhữ Văn Tâm briefly introduced Thái Nguyên economic potentialities and committed to creating the most favorable conditions for foreign investors. In recent years, Thái Nguyên Province and Salo City, Finland, have established a tight diplomatic relations. Currently, Thái Nguyên is looking forward to foreign support to expand and develop organic tea and plywood production. Delegates from Finland also shared experiences in supporting instruments to help enterprises effectively approach their potential markets and design their business plans. Finnish Ambassador Kimmo Ladavita thanked Thái Nguyên cooperation and hoped that such conferences would be organized more in the coming time to bring about practical business opportunities for Finnish enterprises that have intention to invest in Thái Nguyên and other provinces in Vietnam. It is also believed to have Vietnam expand markets to Northern Europe region. Recently, the opening ceremony of Microsoft Office Specialist World Champion 2013 was organized in Thái Nguyên University of Economics and Business Administration. 44 competitors from Thái Nguyên, Hanoi, Hải Phòng, Vinh, Đà Nẵng, and Ho Chi Minh participated in the competition.
Microsoft Office Specialist World Champion is the biggest global competition that tests student skills on Microsoft Office applications. It is organized annually by Certiport in order to find the most excellent students from among competitors of 60 nations worldwide. Competitors are allowed to choose one of the 3 Office programs: Microsoft Word 2010, Microsoft Excel 2010, or Microsoft PowerPoint 2010 in Vietnamese or English language. Outstanding competitors will attend the national final round on May the 18th, 2013. Best students of Vietnam will enter the World Championships in Washington, D.C., USA, that will last from July the 31st to August the 3rd, 2013.
On the morning of March the 27th, Thái Nguyên Provincial People's Committee, in coordination with Agritech Limited Company of Japan, organized a workshop to introduce information on safe vegetable production for export. At the workshop, Mr. Đặng Viết Thuần, Vice Chairman of Thái Nguyên Provincial People's Committee, presented the delegation of Agritech Limited Company of Japan some information on the situation of agricultural production in the province. In particular, the area of vegetables in Thái Nguyên province reached 10,000 hectares with the unit capacity of 15,900 kilos per hectare, and had a production of more than 158,000 tons last year. In addition, the province's agricultural production activities also encountered a number of difficulties since the safe vegetable production technique has just been introduced. Farmers are inexperienced in the application of this new model, and infrastructure for safe vegetable production is limited. The representatives of Agritech Limited Company of Japan expressed the desire to improve the status of agricultural production in Thái Nguyên province by promoting clean vegetable production project investment to enable exporting activity to Japanese market. At the end of the workshop, Mr. Thuần suggested relevant departments, agencies and units in the province following this model to do more research on the safe vegetable production so that if the project is approved, it will be able to meet the need of the Japanese enterprises. After 5 years of erratic fluctuations in the low position from the 31st to the 57th in 2012, Thái Nguyên particularly lived to number 17 in the PCI ranking. Sharing the same joy, Thái Nguyên Radio and Television Station is proud to contribute its small effort to create an interest and a deeper understanding of the PCI, which significantly improved the Provincial Competitiveness Index.
In addition to launching and maintaining the regular and effective forum, Investment Promotion Corporation in early 2012, shortly after the result announcement ceremony of the PCI in 2011, a summary table of PCI rankings of Thái Nguyên in 5 consecutive years was established. Looking at the table, it is easy to see instability and improvement of Thái Nguyên province. Then, in March 2012, the correspondent team of Thái Nguyên Radio and Television Station implemented a clear analysis of each index and component. Accordingly, 9 indicators in turn were separated, assessed, and recognized honestly and objectively. The current affairs reporting team also pointed out that the dynamic leadership dramatically reduced and business support services also dropped at a very low level, which was the focus improvement in 2012. From our point of view, PCI ranking results of Thái Nguyên province in 2011 at number 57 in 63 did not accurately reflect the capacity of the province. Thus, we found out that Thái Nguyên Radio and Television Station needed to do some drastic changes to attract the attention of the province, the society and the business to improve PCI. With stories around the indexes, the correct understanding to improve the competitiveness index has been given a proper attention at all levels in the province. After dropping 15 grades in 2011, it was really a big surprise for Thái Nguyên to pass over 47 provinces and cities across the country and set a new record at number 17 in the ranking of PCI in 2012. We recognize that the propagation of Thái Nguyên Radio and Television Station was very effective in improving the Provincial Competitiveness Index of Thái Nguyên, as well as for the promotion of investment in the area. Since then, we have also collaborated with Thái Nguyên Radio and Television Station to launch the forum, investment promotion and international integration to advertise potentials and policies of attracting investors. Strengths and potential of the province in the northern area of Vietnam, the country's third largest human resource training center, has actually been proven with the results of the PCI in 2012 when Thái Nguyên ranked number 17. Continuing to be present in the important moments and plausible views to improve significantly the Provincial Competitiveness Index, Thái Nguyên Radio and Television Station desires to keep its contribution to the results of the province CPI in 2013 and the following years with higher rankings to be on the same footing with a strong province of the key economic region in the north of Hanoi.
That's the end of the program today. Thanks for sharing the time. Goodbye.